Remixer just gave you a first draft. It's a good-looking website, but it's not you yet. The secret to a perfect site isn't just the first prompt. You gotta have the conversation to fine-tune your epic new website to be. Here's how to refine like a pro. First, be specific about what's working and what isn't. If you leave the AI to guess what you mean, it will fill in the blank with something you might not be looking for. Don't just say, change this. Tell Remixer why the current state is undesirable and what exactly doesn't work for you. Stating the current condition and why you don't like it gives the AI the context it needs to actually fix the problem. Second, stop hunting for magic keywords. You don't need to speak tech. If you're struggling to describe a vibe, just use more words. Describe it in 3 different ways if you have to. The more detail you provide, the better the result. Remixer is supposed to be like having a conversation, so just talk to it. In fact, you can even ask what's the best way to get the result you want. Finally, set your hard nose. If you hate pastels or rounded corners, say so. Define your boundaries early. Then give it your acceptance criteria. Tell it exactly what a win looks like. For example, I want a high contrast dark theme where the CTA button is the only thing in neon line. Treat Remixer like a partner you can have a productive conversation with. Give it the details, set the boundaries, and watch your vision come to life. Happy building! Let us know if you built a Remixer site in the comments below.